Hi guys, today I will be explaining about how to delete TikTok account. This process is simple and easy. The first thing is open your TikTok application. Once it will be open, tap on your profile icon which is on the right bottom. And here tap on these three lines which are on the top right. And tap on the last option settings and privacy. And here tap on the first option accounts. And on the last number you can find the option deactivate or delete account. Tap on it. I am trying to delete my account permanently, so that's why I will tap on the second option. Here I have to select a reason. Just for example, I will select this second option and then click on the option continue. Check the last option and tap on the option continue. Again check the last option and then tap on the option continue. And the last thing is tap on the option continue. Then your account will be deleted on TikTok permanently. And it was the way by which you can do it easily.